Hello and welcome to AlleyTech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Zoom on your computer. So first you want to open your browser and you want to search Zoom. Once you do that, you're going to see this main page for Zoom, the main website. But among that, they have different shortcuts to different things you're looking for specifically, like signing in, going to a Zoom meeting, anything like that. But for this video, you're going to click download. This will then take you to the download center on the Zoom website. Here at the top is going to be the main type of Zoom to download. This is just the basic joining, hosting, anything like that. You can also scroll down for different ways, other downloads to use if you want a shortcut from another type of application you already have on your computer, anything like that. But this is the main basic Zoom to download to your computer. So first you want to click download. This will then automatically start downloading it on your computer. For me, I see it right down here. And then it'll start initializing and getting it to download on your computer. But once you see it finished down here, you're going to click on it. This will then start the initialization process, and it will start to download to your computer so it's accessible. Once it's finished that, Zoom will pop up such as this. I'm just going to minimize that for now, but that's how you can easily just start your sign-in process, anything like that, to get Zoom ready for any classes. Otherwise, it has now appeared on your taskbar. Down here, there is also an icon near your time and your date on your computer. There is a little Zoom icon. That's another shortcut to get into it. If you want to keep Zoom on your computer taskbar, you can click the icon down here. You can right-click on it, and you can click the Pin to Taskbar option. This then makes it stay on your taskbar like these other apps that I don't have open. They're always there as a shortcut. So once you have that done, then Zoom is now down on your computer. If you want to put it on your desktop, like on this background of your computer, what you can do is you can go into your files. You're going to find your download section, and where you downloaded the Zoom, you're going to find Zoom Installer. You're going to right-click on that. I'm going to go down here. It's not right-click. Oh, click the desktop. And on here, you're going to choose what files are on your. So you can actually go back to downloads. You can grab Zoom, bring it to the desk, move it to the desktop, and now it is on your desktop. So all you have to do is just shift the file from downloads into the desktop section of your files on your computer. Other than that, you can just easily click that, and that'll simply open Zoom for you. Just another easy shortcut to use, besides having it pinned to your taskbar. Other than that, thank you for watching. Go ahead and check out my other videos for any tips and tricks on applications throughout the school year.